When Napoleon said in his last years that the biggest victory is in gaining people's trust, he wasn't speaking lightly. Napoleon is thought to have conquered more than 25,000 lands, but still regarded moral victory as the greatest. He said wealth and power can't buy a full heart. So he said, don't take it personally. Don't take the deal if it will make us emotional. Our emotions get involved in the deal and we end up paying more. Urge people to think one will put on a cloak and one will be caught in fake advertising for taking a ware they don't need. So take the deal. No way. Take the deal, don't take it on credit. Take the deal, take it on cash, don't take it on credit. If you go to the market, you will not tell people that we don't have any money. We'll just keep on borrowing until we are in debt. They will offer the second offer. You say, break the trust, don't think it over. Because if this plan is a trust breaker, then it must be rejected. Love and trust are the essence of all life. Prem Bhava occurs from trust and vice versa. In different societies around the world where all of humanity exists, there is an intimate relationship with earth. Prem Bhava occurs everywhere in life, in different societies around the world. Love and trust are the essence of all life. There were weapons found in the raid. They say they'll go far once the case is over.
But what does it mean to break trust? It can be minor or major. For example, if someone says we'll go out for a walk and later cancels, that's also breaking trust. On a larger scale, breaking trust can be marrying someone and then bringing a third person into the picture.
And then there are others.
I'm just giving an example. Or someone borrows money from you, promises to return it in 15 days, takes a huge sum, and then stops answering your calls. A month or two passes, and it's clear they have no intention of returning the money. So if you realize that person is not trustworthy, why trust them again? At least not until they genuinely regret it. A person changes, circumstances change, everything changes. In this world, the only constant is change. So if that person doesn't reform, then by all means, don't trust them again. You need to save it out. You need to see if they had a small mistake or a significant one, a mistake against you or someone else, me or another. If they regret it, talk openly and honestly. Only then think about their sincerity.